In this video, I will guide you on how to hide Facebook story from anyone. First, launch open the Facebook app on your device. Make sure to log into your account. Now tap on the three lines at the top left corner of your screen. From here, select Settings and Privacy, then tap on Settings. Once you get on your settings, scroll down and find the option of Audience and Visibility. Under this section, find the option of Stories and tap on that. Now find who can see your story. Select that. Here, if you have set that to public or friends, you want to select friends except. Select that. Now go ahead and search for the friends that you want to hide your story from. Go ahead and select them. Now add as many friends as you want. These people will not be able to view your story. Once you have added them, tap on the save option. In this way, you can easily hide your story from anyone on Facebook. If you found this video useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.